A benefit for the Skoglund family. Teresa Skoglund was in a terrible accident about a year ago. Coming up this October will be the year anniversary of the accident, and she's got bills, and Mark is putting together a benefit to help her out.
Okay, briefly, what happened is last October, Teresa Skoglund was in a very bad car accident. She was hit by another driver while coming home after taking her husband to work. And the car rolled a couple of times. First responder on the scene was a patrol officer and said it was a miracle that she survived the accident, but she did suffer some pretty severe spinal injury. Her face got messed up pretty bad in the accident, and as a result has had a couple of surgeries, and I believe is scheduled for more yet to come, and is having kind of a tough time of it recovering. But she is recovering. That's the good news.
Right. So you're going to have a benefit on Sunday at the First United Presbyterian Church in Loveland?
That is correct.
Right.
And we will have lots of music there. My own band, Kickin' Rocks, is going to play. Another popular area band, Audible Click, is going to be there doing a very, very rare acoustic set. And we're going to have a silent auction.
Right, I was going to bring that up. You've got guitars and jewelry and all types of stuff.
Yep. We don't have a lot of pieces, but the pieces that we have are unique and fabulous.
And you're also going to have like a donation jar set up too, I take it.
Absolutely. We will be accepting cash donations as well. And there is also a GoFundMe page for Teresa on GoFundMe. It goes by the name of Teresa's Medical Fund, if I remember correctly.
Okay, hey, can you shoot that to me, and I'll post it up on my Facebook page. Just shoot me that link, and that way people want to go, we'll just make it as easy as possible.
Fabulous. Yeah, I can certainly do that.
So you can help out this wonderful lady, Teresa Skoglund, and hopefully we can help her tie up some loose ends as far as her medical bills are concerned, and, help her with her house payment and what have you. So great thing. Mark, way to step up, buddy.
Okay. Well, thank you very much for putting this out there for folks, and I hope a lot of people come. It's going to be great.
Once again, you can get that GoFundMe link up on the Uncle Nasty Show Facebook page. We'll come back. I've got Kansas in the forecast for you next.